stand close to me. I can make you out, surrounded in haze. I hear what I see here. You're probably what I need. Perhaps this is true, but my lips are sealed. I can't come to you, dear, and I'll wait for another time, for another time, for another way, and I'll wait for my thoughts to come, for my mind to clear, for my ways to say. If I open up to you, how would you respond? Would you take me in, or would you just fall? I doubt if it's wrong for men to fear a crime, to be shy.